I'm Andrew, and welcome to Dr. Mechanic. Today we have this 2014 Mercedes-Benz C250. Our customer called, letting us know that the vehicle was in need of some general maintenance, and of course, our team was happy to help. If you want to follow us inside, we'll show you how the process is done from start to finish, including what parts and tools we'll be using. Come with us and see how it's done. Guys, so first off, we're going to lift up the vehicle to show you guys what process goes into changing the oil. Keep with us while we do it done. So here we would be exposing the first part of the cap to remove the second one. This is going to expose the oil pan at the bottom so that we can get the oil extracted. Guys, so we're back here again. As I explained, we do have access to the oil pan down here. As you can see, you have your transmission. Be careful, it do be hot. And right here, we do have the screw that will allow us, allow us to be able to get the oil out of the oil pan, okay? So keep with us and we'll show you how it's done. Right now, we gotta go get our filter. All right, so today we're going to be using a man filter. Product number HU514Y. As you guys can see here, it is used for Mercedes-Benz, as well as lists other parts that can be interchanged with the same exact filter. So if we take a look inside, we're gonna see that we have our filter. I know it's probably not what you guys are used to with your conventional filters, but we can guarantee you that we'll do the job. Also, you will have sometimes some O-rings in here. That is to replace on the actual plastic piece that houses the filter itself. So you just want to make sure that you get these lubricated with a little bit of oil and then slap back onto it. Follow us and we'll show you how to get it installed. So here we're going to be removing the oil pan screw that goes at the bottom, taking out all the oil. Ooh, look at that, look at that. Gonna fill up our oil tank right up top. Nice and oily. Pump it up, brother, pump it up. And we need 5.8. Let's see where we're at. We're exactly at 5.8. Can you believe that? I'll buy our man Carlos here. As you can see, the oil filter is located right back there. I don't know if you can see. Let me zoom in for you guys. Hey, there we go. That's exactly where the oil filter is going to be going into. Putting a little bit of paper to make sure that the oil doesn't leak through. Putting a little bit of paper to make sure that the oil doesn't leak through. Make sure you're clean, you know? Hey, Carlos. You ready, Papa?
Ready.
Let's check this oil filter out. One, two,
three.
Oh, look how dirty that is. As you guys can see here, that filter definitely needs replacing. As you guys can see here, that filter definitely needs replacing. Something you guys want to make sure too is Carlos right here at the top. Make sure that you guys remove this little tube right here. This tube actually does not come with the filter itself. It is part of this casing, and if you forget to put it on, you can result to some very bad damages. So make sure you guys don't forget to put this back on when changing out the oil filter. So here we're gonna be opening up the filters. As I mentioned, we also have the 3 gaskets. We wanna make sure that we remove it. As you can see here, our technician Carlos is using a little pry tool to smoothly remove them off the casing itself. Second one gone. Now the last big boy is down there. You're gonna wanna make sure that you replace these every single time you change your filter, as they do come with them, but it's just a standard practice to make sure that you keep the longevity of your vehicle's engine as smooth and operational as possible. Now we're bringing the filter back in. Mr. Technician Carlos is gonna make sure to put it back in as the way he took it out. Give that little bad boy a nice little screw inward. Once it falls in, make sure it's nice in there. Now you're gonna wanna get it tight. Putting our oil in now.
Bloop, 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 bloop.
And just like that, she's gonna be taking in all her oil, making sure she's breathing nice and easy, ready to go. Just a few more minutes and she'll be ready to go, guys. Stay with us and we'll show you how she turns on, as well as saying goodbye to this beautiful princess that was here with us.